Hi friends, let's see how to work with Arduino IDE. So this is for beginners. So we'll see more applications on Arduino Uno and with sensors and different displays. So this channel will continue the applications on Arduino for all different interfacings. So let's go for getting started. How to work with Arduino IDE. This is for beginners. Uh, so you need to install this Arduino IDE, which is available on arduinocc.org from the Google source. So you can take different versions of Arduino IDEs. So now after second version, you are getting some different display of your application IDE. So these symbols will not find in Arduino 1.00 versions. Okay, so you'll find from second version on this application. So this Arduino IDE, which is very simple to work, and this Arduino, which is having so many examples which are available on Arduino IDE for all LEDs, displays, LCD, servo motor, DC motor, whatever the example you want, which is available ready-made. But as application, you need to integrate different peripherals as a one application. So that is the main task for the projects basically. So this application, this Arduino IDE working is very simple, which is having these two parts. Every program is going to maintain these two sections compulsory. So anyway, this is your configuration of your application, which is called as setup part of the Arduino. So setup, which is always maintain what are the inputs you are connecting with Arduino board and what are the outputs you are connecting with Arduino board. So all these you need to configure here. So by using a pin mode is a macro here. So this pin mode macro you need to use in setup configuration for input purpose or output purpose. So that is your setup part. And loop is the main logic here. So whatever the logic you are looking to write for the peripheral according to your hardware peripherals, you need to develop your logic. So there are many examples are available ready made here, and any application program is not available, there are libraries you need to install. So by choosing this option, so in the sketch label you may find so include library. So this library which is having for all kinds of displays or motors or any library you want, like so 7 segment or LEDs or keypad, whatever you want, you need to type your keyword. So suppose you are looking for keypad example, so then you need to go for keypad. So which is matrix keypad or whatever you want, it will show you some description here. So according to your description, you can choose whatever the library you are looking. Suppose you are looking for 4 by 3 keypad or 4 by 4 keypad, even analog keypad. So this is all the different libraries which will show you on the keyword match. Okay, so you can install whatever you want. So this is how you can deal with different keypad examples. Any library you want, you need to go for the sketch option, sketch label and include library. And you can download even zip libraries, and you can install from GitHub also. So there are many examples you can take it. Okay, so now even the board selection is also important for every program. So whether you are dealing with the Uno board or Mega board or even ESP boards, which are inbuilt Wi-Fi supporting boards like Node MCU, ESP8266, so all these libraries also you need to take out. So for boards also you need to manage your libraries. So any kind of application you are looking on the respective boards, you need to install the libraries compulsory. Okay, so this is how. Now I'll show one example here, which is a basic program for LED. So I think most of you are aware of this, but I am trying to show you one basic example for beginners. So this is a example for LED, and see the part of your Arduino program. So this is all the description for what is this application and where what is the pin number you are connecting. Okay, so here they are dealing with some LED built-in example. So this LED built-in means, so here they are not trying to mention any pin number. So LED built-in, which is available for pin number 13 from Arduino Uno and pin number 16 from Node MCU. There are different pin numbers for different Arduino boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, Arduino, ESP8266. So these are all different family boards. You're generally most popular boards you are using in the projects. So you need, as a programmer, our duty is you need to modify the pin number what you are using according to your hardware, and that configuration you need to do it. This is a standard macro for configuring your pin, either input or output. Anyway, your LED will become output for your application, so they're making as a output here. And coming to the logic, this is the digital write is one of the macro for Arduino devices. So this will affect your digital pin, which will make it high or low according to your description. LED digital write followed by pin followed by high or low, or else you can keep it 1 or 0 also, so there is no issue. And delay, which will provide the milliseconds as per your argument. If you are keeping 1000 millisecond means 1 second, so it will give you 1 second delay. And your LED is operated now according to this logic. Your LED is operated high and stay 1 second time, and LED low and stay 1 second time. So this will repeat because of this loop. So this is a simple program, and here you need to select your board as Arduino Uno and select your board, and this is a mark for verify the program you have any errors and warnings present in the program. And every program compilation will show you how much of memory you are using from the entire memory of Arduino. This is Atmega 328P. Arduino Uno will contain Arduino number, IC number is Atmega 328P. So once you're verifying this, so and you need to do some preferences also here, like you need to compile and you need to upload. So every time you need to do this, not every time, for single time. If you do it, it will create so one executable link for us. So if you want to go for that X file path, you can find out from this double inverted commas path. So this is the path for hex file. So you can get your hex file of the program by using this. So because anyway the hex file which is helping us to cross check the output from the Proteus. So just copy the hex file path. You can cross check the output by using Proteus also. So the Proteus I am using 7th version. Even you have 8th version, there is no issue. You can directly work out. And now I'm just taking one Arduino board, Arduino controller. So again there are different boards are available. So I'm taking Uno and LED built-in, which is connected across pin number 13 actually. So as a real hardware you can get it your LED from 13th pin, but as for simulation I'm taking one red LED across pin number 13. So once you double click on controller, it will ask for program file path. So just paste your link whatever you copied from the Inno ID, and now you can play your output. So you can cross check your output. Your LED is responding for on and off within 1 second time. This is how You can cross check the output with the simulation by writing code and by editing code in Arduino IDE. Suppose you are looking for a specific pin, then you need to do declaration. So by using your int data type sub followed by any user defined name, you can take it. So I'm just taking red LED, and which is pin number 2. But the pin number 2, what it is, you need to do the declaration, or you need to do configuration in the setup. I'm just changing this LED built-in name as red LED. Whatever the name you are taking for declaration, the same name you need to do for configuration. And again, your pin red LED is output. Now I'm trying to do the same program, alternate same logic for alternate LED, one more LED. So just so doing for the second one. So now I'm trying to compile this. The X file path is same, so nothing different. I'm trying to add one more LED across pin number 2. So whatever you declared in the logic, you need to cross check the output. So let's see the 2 LEDs which are operating now as per your logic. So this is how you can go for Arduino IDE, which is very simple to work. But as a project, you need to concentrate how to edit or how to modify the different examples in one program. That is the main task for us as a project developer or program developer. So in coming videos, you will see those kind of applications. Thanks for watching.